Hey guys, it's Belle here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a 3D Loom Sumikko Gurashi Shirokuma. I split this video into 3 parts. And this is part 3 of this project. If you haven't finished part 1 and part 2 yet, please go to my YouTube channel and find those videos there. And now we will begin at part 3. And now we're into the end. You're gonna grab your eye beads. I already put them on this time. And we're gonna do 3 normal crochets first. So 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna grab your eye bead and pull through. And make your crochet. And do 2 more stitches. So 1, 2. Then you're gonna grab your next eye and grab through. Make a crochet. Like that. So this is what it should look like. And now we're gonna make your crochet from here to the end to a clip. And when you got to the end, you're gonna do 1 row all the way around. 1 row. So now, when you got to the end, you're gonna take some fluff and stuff your bear. Actually, you don't really have to use fluff. You can use old socks, tissue papers, cotton balls, like whatever is squishy and squishy. Like that. And now we're gonna do the closing part. So first, we're gonna do one normal, and now we're gonna do a decrease. So you'll grab one end of the V shape, so not the whole V shape. You're just gonna grab one end and grab another one end, so it's two, and do a crochet, one normal, a decrease. So go in through one end of the V shape and another, do a crochet. Normal, decrease, so only one end, normal, decrease, normal, and last, decrease. Okay, so the hole has got smaller. Now you can take off your S-clip, your stitching, your mark, and you don't need it anymore because we're gonna go around till the hole has disappeared. So all our decreases. And now, this is my last crochet. This time I'm gonna pull through all of the bands on my hook and tie a slip knot. Like that. And now I'm gonna go from here and grab that band and loop it under. And just leave it inside those fluffs. And this is the bear body. And we're gonna make 2 magic rings. So 3 times on the hook. And do your crochets, those 6 crochets. So this is like the first part we did for the bear's body. This is the ear. Two more stitches. And when you got your magic ring, you're gonna go inside the first stitch, take a band, and grab through all of the bands on your hook. Put both bands on your hook, tie a slip knot. Like that. This is one of your ears. Then you're gonna do another one, exactly like this one. So I've got 2 ears here. And grab your body. And now we're gonna attach this ear on. So just put it wherever you like it to be. I normally like to put it like here. And take your hook, go through some of the bands, and grab that bottom slip knot. And grab through those fluff. If you like the place where the ear should be, you can make your slip knot here so that band is stable and it won't fall out. And just grab those bits of bands sticking out and just pull it into the fluff like that. And it's one ear attached. I'm gonna do another one exactly the same. So just hook the band in. If you like where the ear should be, you're gonna tie your slip knot there. Pull tight. Put it into the fluff like that. And this is your finishing project. So this is the end of our project. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hey everyone, it's Belle here. Welcome back